Hey guys, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2022 in Portland, Oregon, and I'm here with Lori from Hitachi High Tech, and Lori has a special program that she runs and would like to hear all about it. So go for it, Lori.
Well, thank you very much. I appreciate your time, and I would like to share with you that we're running a global STEM education outreach program that ranges K through career. We're looking to get students interested, sustain them, train them, maintain them, and fills those jobs that are coming down the pike. We take our scanning tabletop electron microscopes and we loan them to schools and organizations, and we help give back to the communities in which we work.
Wow. So you're taking tabletop microscopes around, teaching kids how to use them, getting them interested in science. If someone was interested in having you come to their location, what would they need to do?
I would have them go onto our website, www.inspirestemeducation.us, go to the Contact Us, fill out the form, hit submit, and somebody will get back to you to get more information to see how you can play in this wonderful SEM sandbox.
So if you guys are interested in STEM education, having Lori and the Hitachi team come to your location, check them out online. And this is Eric Miller at M&M 2022, and we'll see you on the next one.